everyone, it's Adam. Wind deflectors tinted. Here's your part number. And these are not tinted. I just want to show you what they look like. I don't really think I need to make an install video on these, but these are, I've seen these before. So obviously you can buy rip-offs of these from China, but you want that BMW logo on there. And honestly, just for stuff like this, that's going to be exposed to UV. You really want to have something that's going to last longer than a couple of months. But I do want to have that black tinted look, so I think I'm going to go for them. These were 99 bucks for 2 of them, which seems like a steal in BMW part terms. But I have no idea what they look like. I've never seen them on a bike before, so I'm going to unbox them and see what they look like. These actually look perfect. It's almost like a anthracite gray color. You can still see through them. They're tinted, not painted. But it's just a different mix of plastics, but smooth in the bottom for a nice shine, and then matte on the top to reduce glare. And so you can see them side by side with the OEM, or no, it's not the OEM, with the original that came on the bike. Yeah, let's go for it. Let's install them. They look good. 99 bucks, come on, it's a steal. So here they are side by side. So here's your tinted and your frosted white. You know, I like it. As far as BMW accessories go that make your bike look unique, this one is actually pretty cheap. Compared to some of the R18 accessories, I think it actually looks great. Just given that the tank and the motor and the upper fairing there is all black, this just looks really nice to have that black versus the frosted. All the bikes come frosted, so this is definitely a unique look. From the front here, it actually makes that larger 1250 fairing look just more streamlined. So I like it. Very cheap mod. I'll link to them below. I'll give you the part number. I would definitely say buy them from a dealer, but you can probably get them on eBay. And there probably are rip-offs of this online. I think the option from Wonderlic that is not OEM is more expensive than what BMW is charging right now. So, but they were originally made for the 1200 GSA. They work fine on the 1250 because it's the same part. So let's get them both on. Okay, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Just has a little bit, it looks more like it fits the bike, and it just looks nice. Look at it from the front. I think this is a great mod. And actually, the way I came across these is I was in the BMW of Denver dealership, and I saw these in a display case, and I thought, would those tinted deflectors work on my bike? And then I got home and checked the parts fitment. They do. They definitely do. So, yeah, I'm happy with these. They look really cool. It fits. It just looks like it really fits the body super well. So, 99 bucks. Part number link below. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.